Brandon, your Roman props Inception Elite is installed. Put everything on a custom chassis I've designed, removable, which still allows you to use the switch boxes. So for components, we've got your NPXL V3s in the top, connected to a 2-button NPXL connector, connects to switches as well. Got the second part on the top of the chassis, Proffie V2, 2 accent pixels, one on each side, got a kill switch on the bottom, and your speaker connector, Smugglers Outpost, 28mm Elite in there. Pop the battery in, positive towards the top. Now with this, there's a small key that you'll be able to see runs up here. I've lined it up with a switch box, but if you just want to double check it's in the right place every time, slide your chassis up, a little bit tight but it will go in. Flick the switch up for on. Got battery level and blade style or blade colour. Slide the pommel on. Now we've got power on the top, aux on the bottom, like we discussed.
Hello there.
Everything's working lovely. Got your motion controls, swing on, twist off, and then we've got your KR Pixel Stick V2 blade recessed. Best thing for the thin necks with such a short emitter. So with this, I've made it quite tight, so you want to give it a nice slide in. The retention screws not been. There we go. Nice firm slide in there. Blaster effect, clash, lockups.
Ben, Obi-Wan, I am a Jedi. My father before me. This is where the fun begins. Lord Vader.
Got the fonts that we got on there for you. Blade out, give it a little wiggle if it's not coming out. With your blade plug, I printed a small spacer so the metal pins on the NPXL don't touch if you still want to put it in. No shine through obviously, but still looks cool. Yeah. Break that back down. Switch off. Enjoy.